We're going to look at an automation that is simple, but is effective and will save your team hours of work every week. We recently did this for a client project of ours did a large number of deals through Pipedrive, but every time they finished a deal or finished a project in Pipedrive, they then needed to create an invoice in Xero, even though the information already existed in either Pipedrive or Xero. So we built an automation for them that basically takes the information from Pipedrive and adds it to Xero. Let's have a little look at the scenario. What happens is you set this to go live, or it runs every 30 minutes or an hour every day, depending on your invoicing cadence. Over here, it'll look at deals and watch deals as they come through. So if a deal ticks a specific status, one closed or completed project, if it's in the project management part, it will list these projects in a deal. Any that haven't been invoiced or are still in that state will be listed. It'll then take the contact from Pipedrive and look in Xero. So it'll say, okay, here is the email address, andrew@andrew.com. Does it exist in Xero already? If it does, it creates an invoice, triggers it, either probably doesn't send it. It didn't send it for them. It saved it as draft and sent it to their financial controller. But if there's a contact, creates the invoice. If not, it creates a contact based on the ID and the email that exists in Pipedrive, then creates an invoice and saves it as draft. And again, triggers the same over here. So this is a very simple piece of logic that means that you won't need to manually create invoices once something is closed in Pipedrive. As I said, this saved that client about 4 hours per week. But even if you have a fewer number of deals and invoices, you can connect different systems to automatically create invoices in Xero. Thanks.